Meaning of hustings.
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 Hustings. Hustings refers to a platform or event where political candidates make speeches and answer questions from the public. It can also refer to a specific place, such as a town square or marketplace, where these events traditionally take place. The term originates from the Old Norse word hus meaning house and ting meaning assembly or meeting. In modern times, hustings are commonly held during election campaigns as a way for candidates to connect with voters and present their platforms. The word hustings carries a strong connotation of democracy, civic engagement, and public discourse.